Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wannan shine video namu na 22 a cikin wannan series da muke mai suna koyi Python. Kamar yadda na faɗa, insha Allahu zan yi bayani akan Python tun daga farko har zuwa gwargwado abin da ya kamata a ce mutum ya sani a ciki. Idan ba za ku manta ba, video namu na ƙarshe mun yi bayani ne akan mini project 1 namu wanda muka yi quiz a ciki. Duk wanda ya kalli wannan video insha Allah zai fa'idantu da abubuwa da dama da muka yi, kuma zai ga yadda ake creating quiz da yadda zai yi abubuwa da yawa a ciki, kuma cikin abun ban sha'awa duk abun da muka yi a cikin video in is not out of abubuwan da muka yi tun daga video 1 har zuwa video na 20 inda muka tsaya. Yau insha Allahu za mu yi mini project namu na biyu wanda za mu kira za mu yi calculator, that is simple calculator za mu yi insha Allahu a cikin wannan mini project 2 da za mu yi. So first of all, zan rubuta sunan project in kamar da muka yi wancan mini project 2, so I will just put in bracket calculator or calculator. So I will change it to, let me make it heading saboda ya zama big, so mu creating sabo. So nan abunda za mu yi yanzu, za mu ga yi zan ba da instructions inda muke bukata ya kasance a cikin abun. First of all, za mu yi collecting first number. I will just call it first number from shi user in za mu tambaye shi ya sa first number. Sannan kuma secondly za mu tambaye shi idan ya sa first number, za mu tambaye shi ya yi selecting operator inda yake so ya aiki da shi. So select operator. So ya yi selecting operator inda yake so ya aiki da shi, maybe plus ne, minus ne, multiplication ne, division ne. Had the modulus, we are going to use even modulus. Duk abin da mutum yake so ya amfani da shi, we are going to use that also. Again, then we are going to say second number. So in yasa ya yi selecting operator, sai mu ce ya saka second number. So we are going to say second number. Then after that, in agent, then same way printing result. So then we are going to print the result, that is outcome na wannan abunda yasa. So maybe yasa 2 plus 3, maybe yasa 2 say selecting operator na plus yasa wata number a wurin, it will just add it up and give him the result. So it's just a mini calculator that we creating yanzu. Duka za mu get the zamu. So I'll just create this, I'll just make it marked down. So let me make it this, and I will click this. So we are going to start yanzu za mu fara. Abu na farko da muka ce za mu declaring shi da first number, za mu tambayi user ya sa number ne ko. So abinda za mu ce first underscore number, I'm going to call it like this, is equals to input open bracket enter a number. So we will za mu tambayi user in ya entry number a nan ciki, so zai ba shi pop-up ya sa number. So after that, what we are going to do is za mu tambaye shi ya yi selecting operator, and before then, idan kun lura za ku ga, okay, let me finish this so that I will because I want to keep explaining this one after the other, but let me put the operator now. So we are going to say we can call it operator, then we are going to say equals to input, then we'll say please choose operator. So wannan anan choose operator in, we are going to put za mu saka duka operators inda muke so mu saka. Muna iya ƙara creating wani open bracket, but muna iya sa comma, ko kuma muna iya wannan sai mu saka duka operators in namu anan. Muna iya sa plus, comma, minus, comma, multiplication, comma, division, comma, then we'll put the modulus. Za mu saka modulus namu. So these are the operators in da mu aiki da su: plus, minus, multiplication, division da kuma modulus. So wannan shine mun gama da wannan. Secondly, second number inda za mu karba sai mu ce second underscore number. Mun san ba a sa space a ciki, so we are going to say equals to input open bracket. Again, we are going to say please, okay, we say enter a number. Again, za mu ce ya rubuta number a ciki, enter a number. So now mun declaring waɗannan duka abubuwan guda biyu, but before then we are going to do something, that is to convert input in da into what, into integer. Mun yi conversion da kowa, mun yadda ake converting string to integer, integer to string. Wanda bai kalli wannan ba ya kalli previous videos nawa da nayi tun daga 1 har 20 zai fahimci wannan ba wani wahala ke ga wannan ba. So we are going to declare the first number, then we say equals to int on bracket first underscore number. So now we declared first number, we convert it to integer. For the second number, and we are saving them into first number. That what we are saving them into the same variable. I'm not changing the name so that I will not confuse you. We are sending them in the name that we are converting them. So don't get confused in this. Muna iya canza suna, maybe musa wani abu daban, maybe number 1 or number 2 or number 3. We can do that, but it's okay. We can use this so that ba sai mun samu confusion a ciki ba. So I'll just call number, second number is equals to int underscore bracket second underscore number. That means to input in the mutun yasa anan ciki, our first number will be converted in this first number as integer, and also in second number it will convert it to what, to second number as integer. So this is what we did. Yanzu mun yi converting na abun nan input namu da user ya saka a ciki. So abun na gaba shine yanzu zamu yi declaring, zamu yi creating if condition namu. That means if duk lokacin da user namu ya selecting operator kaza, so we want to do kaza, if we want to do kaza, if we want to do kaza. It's very simple, and let's just do it. You will see it now. I'm going to say if operator is equals to plus. So like this, if it is plus, what do we want to do? We want to do let's just say outcome is equals to, so now I'm creating a new variable and I'm calling the variable outcome. I'm calling it outcome because at the end then you print an outcome in the at the end of this abunda. So I'm creating creating one variable need and some outcome on the z muna calculating in. So I'm going to say first underscore number plus second underscore number. That means idan selected in the mutum yayi na operator na shi is a plus sign, so zai muna plus. So I'm going back and say if operator is equals to minus, what do I need? Outcome in ya zama equals to first underscore number plus second number. Wannan abun na da sauki sosai. So you can do another if, bai da wani wahala. Operator is equals to asterisk, that is for the that is for multiplication. So we want outcome to be first underscore number multiply by second underscore number. Okay, for this one I made a mistake, so it has to be minus. Yeah, this is how it's going to be, minus second number. I'm sorry. So for this if again, operator is equals to then division, sai mu ce outcome in ya zama equals to first underscore number divided by second underscore number. So the last one is if operator is equals to, so here I have to add another equals to, it has to be double equals to, is equals to modulus, is this. So we are going to say outcome is equals to first underscore number modulus second underscore number. So this is it. But the last one we are going to say else is going to say invalid. So we can say it outcome is equals to invalid syntax. Let me just call it invalid syntax now. So here it is. As you can see now, we create this we did all the necessary abunnan condition inda muke so mu sa mun saka yanzu, ko mun bashi abunda muke so mu bashi na cewa duk lokacin da aka saka aka selecting sign kaza ya bamu kaza, duk lokacin da aka selecting sign kaza ya bamu kaza. So this is what we are going to see once we print this at the end. So now we are going to print the outcome. That's what we are going to do. So let me do it and say print open bracket. We can say that we can just print the outcome. So for us to print the outcome, if we want, we can just say outcome, then it will always print the outcome for us. But we can say the outcome is kaza. If we want, we can do that, but let's do it first and see what will happen. So let me run it. So enter a number. I say 20, select please choose operator. Let me select plus and press enter. Then zai tambaye mu sa wata number, then say let me 90. So the answer is going to be 110. You see, this is the result is 1110. So I think we can create something. Musaka, maybe the result is, let me do it now. Result is comma, then I will say outcome. But if we say outcome now, it will know what, because we can't concatenate this string and integer. We can't do that. We are going to put this inside the string. As you know, we are going to do that. We have to convert yanzu integer in that, the outcome integer, we have to convert it to what? We have to convert it to string if we want it to work. Okay, so okay, but let me show you what will happen if we didn't convert it. Let me show you what will happen now. 2 plus, okay, let's say plus 2, the result is 4. So it's okay, we can even do that. So yeah, we don't need to convert it to string. It will just say the result is 4. But I didn't see this result is 4 is something. We can delete this. Result is 4, but it's okay, we can leave it result. So let me do it again. Plus 3, result is 5. So it's okay, we can do that. So let's test it and see what will happen with all the operators that we created. So let's say 2, let's use minus 30 is going to give us minus 28. So minus is working. So we are going to say 4 times 100 is going to give us 400. Result is 400, as you can see. So for the division, we are going to say 10 divided by 2 is going to give us 5. Yeah, it's okay. 5.0. If we want, we can round it to decimal number that we want, even 0 or 2, but we didn't do round up. But later in the video, I think we'll do it. So bazanyi amfani da shi ba yanzu. So then let's do the modulus. 10 modulus 3, we are going to see 1, because 10 divided by 3, the muka dividing 10 into 3 is going to be 3. 1 will remain. So modulus is always bringing the remainder of whatever we want. So now if we say we can put anything, that we want. 8, okay, 8 divided by 0, what are we going to see? We are going to see 0. So let's say we are going to do something to say that za mu ce duk lokacin da aka ce a yi dividing wata number by 0, za mu ce is not, you cannot divide it by 0. Let's just give the user a result of the mistake he made. So let's do that. Let's create that syntax here. You see that why it just give us all this divided by 0. We cannot divide any number by 0. So let's see something. So now under this if na division, we are going to pass if condition in the same line here. Anan za mu ce if second, that is, it will divide only first number, they muna dividing only first number by second number only if second number is not 0. If second number is not 0, that is what haka ake rubuta is not. Mun yi wannan da ku, mun yi is not da ku lokacin da muna operators. Wanda bai fahimci wannan is not operator in, but please ya koma baya ya kalli yadda muka yi shi. If not second number is not 0, so that's only when it will divide this for us. Else, that is, idan second number is 0, else abunda zai ce muna you cannot divide by 0. So this is something new da ba mu taba creating condition ba at the same line da ku, but today you saw how to do it. That means this elif da muke gani, wannan outcome in first number divided by second number is only applicable, zai zama kawai zai amfani idan wannan condition in ya zama true, else zai ba mu wannan condition if wannan condition is not true. So that abunda muka yi yanzu. So let's try it and see. So we are going to say 10 divided by 0. It's going to say you cannot divide by 0. So let's see. Okay, what did I put? Okay, sorry. Okay, 10, okay, sorry, divided by 0 is say you cannot divide by 0. Yes, this is how it's going to show us you cannot divide by 0. So we are going to do it again. Let's say 20 divided by 0. It will say you cannot divide by what? By 0. So this is our mini calculator. Duk abin da mutum yake so yayi a wannan calculator in zai da shi, kuma everything yana working perfectly, babu wani damuwa kuma babu matsala, I believed. So you can try it, put whatever you want to put, do whatever calculation you want to do a wannan calculator da muka yi. Save it if you want, you save your file and you can share it with anybody, and you can keep it. Kada ka aje shi is now you have two projects wanda kai lokacin da kake koyon Python, ko kuma you can put waɗannan project in da kai kana yasa su a cikin portfolio naka, cewa kai creating calculator, kai creating quiz, kuma and there are many other projects za mu yi duka a cikin wannan series in mutum zai ci gaba da aje su ne cewa yayi wannan abun da kansa. So it's something that koyaushe abun da ake so a ga me kai da abun me ka iya a ciki, so ana so a ga da me kake yi. Sannan please crack your brain. All this that you are seeing, we are all doing it together with you. As you can see up here, duka muke wannan, inda mu yi mistake mu gyara, in ba mistake mu gyara, as you can see. So try as much as you can to be creative. Kai abunka da kanka. Don't look at anybody's code, don't look at any kai copy and paste and whatever. No, write it by yourself, understand how all the syntax works, ka fahimci yadda komai yake amfani. Wannan abun bai da wahala, bai da wani tashi hankali, abu ne mai sauki. Idan mutum bai fahimci wani abu ba, ya koma baya ya kallo videos nawa da nayi duka, sai ya ci gaba da inda muka tsaya. Insha Allah wannan shine project namu, mini project namu na karshe, wanda nan zamu tsaya a cikin wannan project din shi ma. So next video namu zamu ci gaba da topics namu, zamu ci gaba da karatu daga video na 23 zamu ci gaba, kuma sai in mun ƙara yin nisa sannan kuma zamu sake tsayawa mu sake wasu projects domin a ƙara fahimtar abubuwan da muke yi a cikin wannan series din. Nan zamu tsaya insha Allah, da fatan Allah ka samu dace. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.